Hello, I'm Gaither Stevens, CEO of Gaither Dynamic, and today I'm going to be showing you what to do with a report code when I send one tied to your dashboard. So once you have a report code, what you'll want to do is go to the data submission page on the Gaither Dynamic website and fill in your information and the information about your dashboard. And I'm just using some basic information right here. It'll just populate a dummy dashboard that I have, but it'll be good demonstration. So here's the report code field. So once you come to that, I send a file that says report code, and it's just a text file. All you have to do is open that up and then copy and paste that into the report code field. Browse for your report or your data that you want to upload to your dashboard. Prove that you're not a robot, and then submit your data. Now the process will go through where the data will be tied to the dashboard, and it's the report code that allows that connection to happen. Once the report is done processing, you'll receive a confirmation and you'll know that that report code worked. That is what the report code is for and how to use it. Thank you.